Hey everybody! Thanks for coming back to my channel. I got a haircut. I got my daughter to chop it because I could not handle it anymore. And I like it, but the back part was feeling heavy and I just wanted more of an A-line, but she was too scared to do it. And so I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna do it myself. I found a YouTube video that showed a quick how to cut your own A-line. So I straightened my hair out. That was the first step. Get it all nice and straight so you can see the angles. I got my assistant to help make sure my lines were straight. The video turned out really good, so I was hopeful I could do this. And you take the front pieces, come down right between your ear, and separate it. I have a pretty cute assistant. And then you do the same thing on the other side. And then the back hair, put it in a nice low ponytail, get it as even as possible and as low as possible. And then slide it down. All right, here we go.
You want me to cut under the ponytail, right?
Yeah, right under the line. Under the, but not, I don't want you to cut the ponytail holder, so make sure you have enough room. Should I turn a little more?
Oh my gosh. How is this gonna
That feels good.
Okay, what next?
I don't know, should we pull it out?
Yeah.
Was it bad?
Yeah.
Oh shoot. How bad?
Really bad. This is not a good idea.
Okay, we'll fix it.
I think you did the ponytail a little like up.
Too
It
high.
needs to be straight down.
I tried to.
Oh, thank you. You want me to go like a down angle?
Like find the angle and then just like shape it, you know?
No.
No.
I don't know how to shape.
Well, I got my daughter to help me after all. Here's how you get your kids to help you do things. You try to do them yourself, and then you screw it up, and then they'll come fix it. So she decided to help me, and we looked at another YouTube video to see how to cut an A-line, and I'll link that below. So the first step was to get it all even in one length, and then come in. Then you move across to the next
Did this
section.
side? Or did
You
this
can
side?
go this side. He goes that side first. And then make sure you get some of the old, some of the new. She was doing a pretty good job. She was having fun, I think. We're a good team. And I was getting hopeful. Like maybe we could actually pull this off. Just maybe. Maybe it wouldn't be a complete disaster. How's it look?
Very odd.
Does it?
It's like short and
Okay, so
long.
it just needs to kind of be... So we found our line. We put all the hair up in the middle, like the video told us to do. And she just went for it. She was feeling like a real hairstylist at this point.
What side's longer?
I don't know. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
I was totally terrified
Looks the same.
at first. At this point, feeling pretty okay. At many times throughout this process, my daughter threatened to quit on me, but we persevered. think we might have pulled it off. Bing!
Okay, I think we did it, Scar.
So I just blow dried it and straightened it so that I could see what we were working with. And all in all, I think it's passable, but I didn't love the really like blunt ends, and it was really heavy, and so I just grabbed the scissors and tried to blend it in. I didn't really know what I was doing, but it seemed to be working and making it look a little more blended and not such drastic edges. That's what I'm doing here, shaping it up. The back was even enough. No one was gonna be looking that close, right? I hope not. I think she did a pretty good job. Phew, that could have been a total disaster. After I styled it, felt pretty good about it. Like we almost looked like we knew what we were doing. What do you think? Was it a win or a total fail? I think I'm gonna call this one a win. Don't try this at home, but if you do, let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Bye!